Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2016 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Cherokee is equipped with power mirrors and they are not working. This video should apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the fuse you want to check is located in a small fuse box just under the headlight switch behind this small storage bin. So I will turn the flash on my phone actually so you can see better what I'm doing. Now first thing you have to do, you have to remove this storage bin. So open it up. And then what you will do, it's being attached here at the bottom and both sides by two clips, here and here. Just want to pull it towards yourself on both sides and then just remove it, right? And deep inside you will see the fuse box and all of the fuses. Okay, and the fuse you want to check will be this 7.5 amp fuse here on the right side. You see it's second from the top. That's Fuse F15 and that's fuse responsible for power mirrors. So I will try to pinpoint it as well for you. Okay, this is the one, right? And if this fuse is good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. First thing you want to test the driver door, power window and power mirror switch. Then you want to check the wiring, electrical connections and things like that. But first things first, always first check the fuse. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.